Hello everybody, welcome to another Carsexposed video. And guess what, we've got my favorite car, this Skoda Superb is back. And the reason I've done so many videos so far of this car is, look at the mileage there, 336,000 miles done. And it's back because the complaint is when it accelerates, it shakes a lot, vibrates a lot. You know, driving the car and when the car is stationary, what I've noticed is I gotta turn the engine on. When you start the car, we change. This is a automatic GSG automatic gearbox. When you change the gear, when you start the car, it does a really peculiar noise. You know, like something's loose. Gearbox sides, engine, something's loose. So let's start the engine, see if you can hear the noise. It's probably going to be hard to tell, but when I accelerate, it does that bloom, bloom, bloom noise. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear. Let's have a look. I don't know if you're able to hear, but that's bloom, 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 bloom. Change the gear. I don't know if you can hear it. I can definitely hear it. There's something not right. I don't know if it's gearbox or what, but there is some sort of problem there. Let me turn the engine again. Turn the engine on again. Yeah. Definitely does a really peculiar noise. Right, so I want you to see this. Look, I'm gonna move the engine. I'm not putting a lot of force, but look at this mount here. So this two pieces mount. See that? It shouldn't be like that. You see it? So right here, this is 16mm bolt here. There's a bushing inside here which is perished, you know, totally perished, and that's what's happening. You know, when you accelerate, it keeps doing this. When you change gear as well, when it's stationary, obviously you change the gear, put from parking to drive, and the engine just keep rocking, and there's that sort of noise. So I'm gonna get one of them and replace it. So 21mm bolt and choose 16, and then the job done. We should get a breaker bar. That one doesn't want to budge.
Sorry, I was trying to get spot.
There you go. There we go, that should be alright now. You got loose? Yeah. I should be able to slide it out. Right, so that's the state of the old one. Can you see that? Look at that. So that was our problem. Right, so we've got the parts that we need here, and you can see, you know, if you see that the one in the car now, those two parts is separated, so it's moving, those two, and here is solid, absolutely solid. So those two parts are moving. So that's what we're going to replace now, and hopefully solve the problem. Get the other one in. Now, 21mm one. Should be good. Yeah, I'm gonna take the car for a drive now and see what the car's like. Slow down a little bit. Smooth, isn't it? Yeah. Do one more time after the speed camera. Slow down.
Yeah.
Slow down to 40 and then put your foot down to 50, which is the speed limit. The noise that we had, like starting the car, that was, or changing gear stationary, was obviously the engine moving back and forth and doing that sort of you know, like blah, 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 blah noise. And also, you know, just test drive the car now. When you accelerate it hard, the car would vibrate as well, you know. So yeah, it was down to that bracket. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like it. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you next time.